Hey y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I have a whole bunch of radishes, fresh radishes in my garden. This is just a couple of them that I grabbed for this video, but I have oodles and oodles of radishes in my garden right now. So I wanted to hop on here real quick and show you one of my favorite, most easy things to do with fresh radishes. And it starts with a jar of pickles. So buy your favorite kind of pickles. They can be dill, they can be bread and butter. Get your pickles, eat your pickles. Save the juice from your pickles. Slice up the radishes and put the thin slices inside the leftover juice. Let them sit for at least 24 hours, and they're good for, I'd say about a week and a half, 2 weeks. They're the best between 48 and 72 hours. You're gonna find yourself just like sitting in front of the TV with a fork and a jar of the pickled radishes and just eating them until all of them are gone. They are that good and they're that simple. And you can see that it makes the radishes turn the pickle juice a little bit pinkish reddish. That's all right. It's just the radishes making their mark. But they are absolutely delicious. I love them. Whatever pickle juice you put them in, they're gonna taste just like a pickle that you just ate that was a cucumber. They're really good. Try them. Let me know what you think. This actually is dill juice, but bread and butter is really good too. Oh, and if you like it spicy, throw some jalapeno slices in there, and it will make your radishes with a little bit of heat. My favorite combination with the spicy is with the bread and butter, because you get that like spicy and sweet factor, and it's just absolutely delicious. So this is what they look like. These have been marinating for about 48 hours. They are good by themselves. They are good on tacos. They are good by themselves. They're good on sandwiches, barbecue, anything you eat a pickle on. These are good on them. And even if you swear up and down that you do not like radishes, but you like pickles, you're gonna love these. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest as Mrs. Happy Homemaker, but I'm that housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit.